Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest and greatest in kitchen design and functionality. Today, kitchen faucets play a crucial role in the functionality and aesthetics of a kitchen. With advancements in technology and design, there is a wide array of kitchen faucets available to suit various needs and preferences. Let's delve into the different types of kitchen faucets, each offering unique features and styles. Single-handle faucets. Design. These faucets have a single lever to control both hot and cold water. Convenience. Easy to use and adjust water temperature with one hand. Space efficiency. Ideal for kitchens with limited space due to their compact design. Double-handle faucets. Design. Equipped with separate handles for hot and cold water control. Traditional charm, often chosen for a classic or vintage aesthetic. Temperature precision. Allows for precise temperature adjustment. Pull-out faucets. Versatility. Features a retractable spray hose that can be pulled out for extended reach. Functionality. Ideal for washing dishes or filling pots with ease. Compact design. Saves space and provides flexibility in kitchen tasks. Pull-down faucets. Extended reach. Similar to pull-out faucets but with a downward motion for extended reach. Modern look. Contemporary design adds a sleek touch to the kitchen. Spray options often includes different spray settings for versatile use. Touchless or motion-activated faucets. Hygiene, activated by motion sensors, reducing the need for physical contact. Water conservation, often equipped with sensors that control water flow based on usage. Modern technology adds a high-tech and convenient element to the kitchen. Wall-mounted faucets. Space-saving, mounted on the wall above the sink, freeing up counter space. Vintage appeal, commonly associated with a traditional or farmhouse kitchen style. Easy cleaning, simplifies cleaning around the sink area. Commercial style faucets. Professional look, inspired by commercial kitchens, featuring a high arc spout. Functionality, designed for heavy-duty use, making them suitable for avid cooks. PRE rinse sprayers, often equipped with powerful sprayers for efficient cleaning. Bridge faucets. Classic design, resembles a bridge with a high arc spout and separate hot and cold handles. Traditional aesthetic, blends well with classic or farmhouse kitchen designs. Enhanced control, offers a balance between vintage charm and modern functionality. 1. Single-handle faucets, modern marvels of convenience. 2. Double-handle faucets, a touch of classic charm. 3. Pull-out faucets, versatility at your fingertips. 4. Pull-down faucets, convenience with a twist. 5. Touchless faucets, embracing the future of hygiene. 6. Pot filler faucets, a touch of professional flair. For the ultimate in culinary convenience, consider a pot filler faucet. Mounted directly above your stovetop, it eliminates the need to carry heavy pots for filling, saving your back and adding a touch of professional panache to your kitchen. Conclusion. Selecting the right kitchen faucet involves considering both practical and aesthetic aspects. Whether you prefer a classic double-handle faucet or a modern touchless option, the diverse range of kitchen faucets ensures there's a perfect fit for every kitchen style and user preference. Remember, when choosing your perfect faucet, consider your needs, preferences, and sink size. With this knowledge in hand, you're well on your way to finding the faucet that complements both your style and your culinary adventures. Which of these faucets is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.